Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Cases of COVID-19 on the rise in Meghalaya. Meghalaya government set target to administer COVID vaccine to people above 45 years of age. And Maulai Putmori water source dries up after many years. And now the news in detail. The government of Meghalaya today on a review meeting held in Secretariat sought the cooperation of tradition bodies and the general in view of the rising trend of COVID-19 cases in the state. The state government said extending support to the authorities will help in containing the spread of coronavirus.
The government has decided to reactivate those committees headed by different deputy commissioners, different BDOs up to the locality level or up to the village level. We have decided that committee is immediately reactivated. Reactivated because now almost a year the fighting that the government has jointly with the community, with the local authority was so successful. Therefore, now we have decided to reactivate these committees in different levels, how to jointly fight against the COVID-19.
Meghalaya government today has set a target to administer the COVID vaccines to persons above 45 years of age in order to contain the spread of the coronavirus among the citizens of the state. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong while speaking to the media at the main secretariat in Shillong.
We also instructed Health Department to go for vaccination drive aggressively. The age of 45 years and above. This notification came out from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. They have already instructed all the respective state government to focus now the age group of 45 and above, that each and every individual citizen should get themselves vaccinated. So right now we have about 250 vaccination centers throughout the state, but this time we have already directed Health Department to increase the vaccination centers wherever necessary. So this will be on the ground immediately, and the Health Department will coordinate and will take action accordingly.
The authorities belonging to Meghalaya Education Department in a meeting with heads of educational institutions today decided that the examinations of Meghalaya Board of School Education should be conducted as scheduled. The meeting was chaired by Meghalaya Education Principal Secretary D.P. Walang while soliciting opinions on the opening of schools and colleges in the state from head of educational institutions. Talking to the media, the Vicar General of Shillong Archdiocese, Father Richard Majau, said that the meeting, while expressing concern over the increase of COVID-19 cases in the state, decided that the shift system of holding classes, including online, should also continue. He said the meeting also expressed concern over closure of schools for lower classes, terming it as a big loss to the students. However, the meeting said that it would leave to the wisdom of the managing committee of the educational institutions whether the educational institution should be opened or not.
Ginang penyai school, banyak kalian juni ginang penyai palang. Ni berpau yu gejik semua ke bagrapang ia ke education department ke balakot ia kini ke meeting hakini ke no paisgi. Gijikan juga belum hakini ke to. Gejik semua belum berkadon ke jingkiu jong ke pang hangni po Meghalaya. In particular East Coast Hills, but hangni po Shillong. Teka hadian mengilekran kadang gejik semua ba ke ki kelas. Nadu kelas 1 ter tu ki kelas ke bakam he. Kadang dehi banyat rangka-rangkan. Ti Henry kadang kejing penskau ba lesi na kabanta ki kelas ki bakam red. Yo kadang kejing shooting na kalian jeng ki parents kemuka kelas 1 atau kelas 5. ti Henry hakabakadu ya kini kami tingkum kolong mentagas ni kadang gajing snuba ki kelas kidang dehi banyak cakmat nadu kelas 1 hadu ki kelas ki bakam he ti le sila da kadang bagrunu nga shoot halai baka sarkat tempep kan sashim ya karai ke beramkam barkat sa ahi gajing betip ya ka jeng public ini ya ki paiba ti kum bagalong mentahi kum bagalong mentagas ni hakani gajing rai bakani gajing kren kecungi kolong hakata kerkom ba online offline kan saya rangka nak bentah ki kelas berkhoi tangkini kita ki bangya laikran hakani kami ting mentagas ni.
The perennial source of water at Maulai Putmuri, where large number of its residents go to wash their clothes, has suddenly dried up for the second consecutive years with the setting in of dry seasons. The residents, including those who earn their livelihood from washing clothes, are now rendered jobless. Among them, those who could afford to purchase water wash the clothes at their own premises. Speaking to the media, the residents said this water source has not dried up for the last 40 years, though it may decrease during the dry season. Some said the drying up of this water source is a reflection of the dwindling of availability of underground water. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.